Susanna J. Dodgson. May 27, 2022. It's raining, thundering, lightning, and I'm at Saddler's Woods, and the goats are here, and they're feeling pretty sorry for themselves, but they're actually doing quite well. They're not panicking. They're just standing under trees, waiting for the rain to stop. Oh, they're such beautiful animals. And there's one here by himself. Herself. Just under the rain. Under the rain covers. But these goats like to get out of the rain. The natural way is hiding under. Oh, look at that. There's no one here. Little rain, little thunderstorm. My gosh. It's actually rather gorgeous. Everything's nice and clean. Oh, look at them. Oh, dear me. Look at that. They were in barns the whole of the winter in upstate New York. So I guess extreme weather is not something they do. And look at them looking at me. They're just very patient. They're just waiting out this rain. Now I remember him from yesterday. Now there are 40 of them, and there aren't 40 here now. Look at this little one staring at me here. Wow. They need reassuring. You're okay. You're going to be okay. Don't worry. Well, they're like scared little children. Except for this one who's doing quite well. You know, of the 40, I would say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, there's one over there, 22. Okay, so there's 18 more of them, and they're hiding out somewhere else. So I'm all dressed up in a skirt and for a reception at Arch Street for the new signs. Arch Street Meeting House. But I'm not sure they're going to hold it in this thunder and lightning. Oh my, I feel so sad for these goats. They're not liking this one bit. Look at the mud. Look at the mud. All the way down. Everyone just driving past them instead of coming and talking to them. Oh, there's one eating a little bit. They're really not. They're just standing there wondering what to do. Oh my. Traumatized goats. This is exactly when the volunteers should be here with them, telling them it's going to be okay. There's some theory that because people eat goats, that they don't matter, but they're beautiful animals. I would never eat a goat. God, no. I don't actually eat any animals. These guys, oh my. I wish some of those kids that were here yesterday would come and squeal and be excited to see them and tell them they're going to be okay. We had a horrible series of, well, there have been two nutcase kids one in Buffalo, New York, and one in a small town in Texas, who were kids, and they got hold of some assault rifles and they started shooting at people. So we're hearing a lot about trauma at the moment, and deep grief that will last a lifetime for anyone who's survived it, or parents, friends, children. So are these goats traumatized, or are they essentially in Quaker meeting for worship where you sit quietly and you wait for something inspirational to be said? Or not. You find the inspiration yourself. Actually, they don't look miserable. They don't look angry. Wow. So they put themselves in a meditative state until they wait for the traumatic weather to stop. These guys in a tree over here, these are interesting. What are they doing? Just stick their little heads in trees. And this guy here, eating, he's kind of nibbling. He's not really eating much. Maybe he's just comforting himself. I wonder if these are all from the same herd, because I understand with the 40 goats they came from 2 different herds, and they do stick together. So this is the first herd. Yeah, I can see the black long-haired goat with the twisty horns is here, and this brown and white one. He was in the first herd too, I think. Maybe all 40 of them are here. No, they're just kind of hanging, hiding well. Today we've been hearing about these press conferences in Texas of the police, and apparently when this 18-year-old lunatic legally got hold of weapons of war. I wonder if you're allowed to have a javelin if you're over 18 in Texas. Maybe you are. Why would you stop with an assault weapon if you can buy a javelin and do even more damage? Anyway, the police chief was saying that, well, what we know is that the call came for police, and the police were inside the school within 3 minutes, and they didn't do anything for an hour because they just thought everyone was already dead, so they didn't have to do anything. And meanwhile, the shooter was wandering around killing people. Killing children, small children, 10-year-olds. Hispanic children. How do you have a white police force in a Hispanic area filled with cops who are too scared to engage a shooter who's killing the children? I don't understand that. Well, they're still just standing there. That brown one over there, he's the only one that's moved around. Everyone else is just standing like a statue. And he's the one saying, "Come on, you. What are you doing? It's only rain." See those four right in front? They're huddled together very tightly with their faces against the wood. More people are starting to come. There's two cars now. Still thundering. Thunder and lightning. So in conclusion, I don't know if they are traumatized or in a meditative state. Hopefully someone who knows more about goats than I do. I just know they're very, very smart. Okay, one of them's walking around there. Wonder if I've helped being here. You feel better? Yeah? Good. This one here is interesting. Okay, so you're a loner, are you? You're huddled. Oh, look, they're starting to walk. Starting to walk a little bit. This one over here, I don't know if this is the same one. There was one who just liked to sit at the corner right here, which is, no, it's not the same one. But there was one who just sat here in the noisiest corner. I wonder if he came from somewhere where there was a lot of noise. This is another loner too. Oh, you're eating. That's good. You okay? You okay? You okay? Are you? Are you okay? You're not okay, are you? You're not enjoying this at all. Here's your friend looking for you. You coming? Hey, how are you? Okay? Okay, good. Gee, look at the moss in the trees. Yeah. Okay, so you're coming over? You coming over? No? You staying there? I was thinking about it. Touch the goats. They're covered with poison ivy, okay? An enormous amount of effort was put into bringing these goats, and it's been an absolute delight to come out every day to have a look at them. And we've had everything. We've had a rainstorm. thunderstorm. We've had extreme heat. We've had kids showing up. A lot of wonderful volunteers. Yesterday we couldn't find the goats anywhere. Could not find them. And the volunteers couldn't find them anywhere, and they walked all the way around the fence, and suddenly they appeared right in front of us, just over there, where I think they'd walked down from the hill. No, they're still just sitting there, just standing there. You okay? You okay? You okay? You okay? Oh, the water's filthy. Damn, that's not good. Maybe I can empty that out. Maybe getting clean from the rainwater? I don't think so. Yeah, that's disgusting. Let's go and see how the rest of the water's going. Yeah. You okay? You alright? You're a little traumatized? Or meditating? We can't decide, can we? Such beautiful animals. I wish you could stay forever. This would be such a nice place for you. Everyone loves you here. Yes. And this one. So where are the rest of you? Huh? Where are the rest of you? Oh no, this water's very clean. So you're eating grass? What are you eating? Oh, you like to eat grass. Okay. Yeah, this water's very clean. So they have access to plenty of clean. Oh look, they have access to plenty of clean water. Yep, you see they've been eating all the way around here. See all the bare branches? I know up there's a little hill. And of course goats are very good on hills. Okay, well, I think, look at the beautiful color of the sky now. Those gorgeous goats, they're just so beautiful. Okay, let's go back, then I'll go on the train into Philadelphia. Listening to the rainfall. Not too many birds. Well, they have eaten the ivy on that tree, on the bottom of the tree. Well, of course, that's what you have to do, because the ivy grows in the ground, and if you get rid of the stuff that's in the bottom of the tree, the rest of the ivy will come down too. This is Susanna J. Dodgson. It's May 27, 2022. It's about 4:30 on a rainy but very warm day. It's actually rather nice, apart from the fact that my feet are soaked and it's pouring and it keeps thundering and lightning. Apart from that, it's a really lovely day. If you've watched this to the end, may you be blessed. Thank you very much.